Are you looking for the best electric burners? In this video we will look at some of the best electric burners on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. True Induction TI2B. The True Induction TI2B is a German-made cooktop featuring a shot-saran smooth ceramic glass surface known for its durability. The glass is scratch, chip, and shatter resistant, as well as highly heat resistant, with no crevices for controls. Cleaning becomes a breeze. All it takes is a damp cloth to wipe down the one-piece ceramic glass surface. Safety is a top priority with multiple features, including a built-in safety turn-off that activates when cookware is removed and placed back on the burner. The cooktop maintains a maximum temperature of 450 degrees, ensuring a safe cooking experience. Operating at 1800 watts, the unit can be powered by a standard 110 outlet. Number 2. Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop is a convenient and efficient kitchen appliance designed for easy handling and storage. Operating on the standard 120 volts 15 amp electrical outlet found in North American homes, this induction cooktop is lightweight and compact. Equipped with a digital control panel, the cooktop offers a range of features to enhance cooking precision. The built-in countdown digital timer allows for precise cooking durations, with increments as small as 1 minute, extending up to 170 minutes. The device also boasts a temperature range from 148 degrees F to 468 degrees F and 10 power levels, ranging from 200 to 1800 watts, providing versatility for various cooking needs. One notable advantage of the Duxtop induction cooktop is its safety features. With no open flame or heating element, the glass cooktop prevents food from burning on it, ensuring easy cleaning. Simply wipe it with a damp towel. The durable 7-blade fan efficiently dissipates heat, contributing to a longer product life. Number 3. Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop 1800 watts Portable Induction Cooktop is a convenient and efficient kitchen appliance designed for versatility and ease of use. Operating on a standard 120 volts 15 amp electrical outlet, it is suitable for all North American homes and adheres to ETL listing and North American electrical standards. Its lightweight and portable design make it an ideal choice for various settings, including dorm rooms, home kitchens, outdoor cooking, RVs, boats, and more. Featuring high efficiency, the cooktop offers a range of 15 preset power levels from 200 watts to 1800 watts and 15 preset temperature levels from 148 degrees F to 468 degrees F. With an impressive 83% energy efficiency rating, this induction cooker outperforms traditional gas or electric stoves, providing quick heat up and faster cooking times. Number 4. OVENTE Countertop. The OVENTE Countertop cooktop is designed to provide a hassle-free cooking experience with its powerful 1000-watt infrared technology. This advanced system ensures quick and even heating for various cooking tasks such as frying, keeping food warm, boiling water, or making soup. One notable feature is its compatibility with virtually all types of cookware, distinguishing it from induction cooktops. For optimal results, it is recommended to use flat cookware close to the burner's 7-inch diameter size. The temperature control is easily adjustable using a knob, allowing you to set the right temperature for your food. The indicator light turns red to signal warming or heating and automatically shuts off in case of overheating or when the desired temperature is reached. Number 5. IMUSA USA Go 80305 Electric Single Burner. The IMUSA USA Go 80305 Electric Single Burner is a versatile cooking appliance that offers convenience both outdoors and in office settings. With its temperature regulating knob and heat distribution coils, this burner provides precise control over cooking temperatures. The power indicator light adds to user-friendly operation, while non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during use. The slim, space-saving design makes it easy to store and transport, making it a practical choice for various settings. However, users should be mindful of the recommended usage guidelines, as the manual suggests not using the burner for more than 60 minutes in a 2-hour period. This precaution is essential to maintain optimal performance and safety. Whether you're whipping up a quick meal in the office or enjoying outdoor cooking adventures, the IMUSA USA Go 80305 electric single burner offers a reliable and compact solution.